So I think the public can actually demand a drug test. 'Di ba? The Philippines can demand a drug test because tanungin ko nga si ChatGPT, is drug addiction an illness? Serious illness na lang. Oh, nakalagay dito ano, considered talaga siya as an illness. Kasi yung addiction mga kabatas natin, it is a mental illness, eh. It is a serious mental illness. So it is still within illness. Kasi mga kabatas natin, 'pag ikaw ay may sakit, hindi naman ibig sabihin yung sakit mo physical lang. Mental illness. Bukod pa of course sa mga physical illness na puwedeng ibigay ng drug addiction.